Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an NFT step by step. First, pick a blockchain and marketplace that fits your budget and audience. Next, prepare a high-quality file, title, description, and metadata including properties and royalties. Then set your pricing model, gas strategy, and whether to mint as a single or collection. Finally, connect your wallet, confirm gas fees, and publish your NFT to the blockchain. Before you mint, optimize your file, finalize metadata, and decide on royalties and edition size. Export your artwork in the recommended format and compress within marketplace limits while keeping quality. Draft a concise title and description that explains the work improvements. Determine whether you will include unlockable content, licensing terms, or limited editions. Confirm these choices to avoid costly changes. Now let's walk through the minting steps in a friendly, clear way. Connect a supported wallet and ensure it has enough crypto for minting and fees. On your chosen marketplace, upload the file, paste metadata, and choose royalties, edition size, and sale format. Preview the listing carefully, then authorize the transaction and approve any gas fees. After confirmation, your NFT will be live and ready to trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.